Yeah, so there's this clicking sound coming from the back, and I'm not quite sure what it is. So just looking for some help on what it is so I can fix it up so it doesn't sound like this. I'm driving around because it's been getting a little bit worse, and also the speedometer kind of quit on me. So I don't know if that's the sensor off the diff or if it's the cluster. But if I'm assuming if it would be the cluster, then nothing would work because like everything else is still working. But yeah, that's here. I'll just wait to turn left, and then you guys can hear it again. Hold on. Yeah, it's a oh, here we go. 1986 325E. That yeah, it's a pretty ugly sound. Yeah, see, it's not going. So yeah, thanks guys.